Everything came together to show things we've never seen before, making today genuinely historic. Let me explain based on confirmation from the Shiba Inu team. Let me explain what I mean first. To kick off the day, there is some pretty wonderful news today. Jason Williams and Yazin, two well-known Bitcoin analysts, recently set an audacious goal for Shiba Inu 5 cents during this bull market. With Shiba Inu's enormous supply of over 500 trillion tokens, many people doubt that the cryptocurrency would ever reach 1 penny, making such a price appear impossible. As a result, this audacious prediction has sparked a lot of controversy in the cryptocurrency world. It may sound improbable, but a thorough investigation backs up this forecast, so stay tuned as we delve deeper. Just now, Williams and Yasin posted an explanation of this forecast logic on social media, declaring with audacity that Shiba Inu wants to make 5 cents this cycle as part of their more in-depth analysis of the top cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Yazin made the following prediction in his post: if Bitcoin rises to $777,000 this season, Shiba Inu might reach 5 cents. Williams, however, thinks that if Bitcoin is only worth $250,000, Shiba Inu may reach the 5 cent threshold. Since Shiba Inu is already trading with 4 leading zeros, 3 more zeros should be removed by 2025. According to Bitcoin analysts, Shiba Inu needs the token to increase by an astounding 200 million% over the course of the next year in order to accomplish this. Taking this into account, this prognosis is extremely astounding because a massive increase would surely be a record-breaking feat gains this enormous. The majority of analysts anticipate a more moderate conclusion, generally anticipating the coin to drop just 1Z and linger around 3Z or slightly higher for the next few years, despite the great anticipation surrounding Shiba's ability to replicate this spectacular climb. The notion that Shiba might jump by more than 200,000 would establish a new standard for the sector and possibly rewrite the parameters around what is thought to be feasible for cryptocurrency growth. Can it really impact it that soon, though? Let's examine some more analysts. It's interesting to note that after the Bitcoin crash in 2020, Shiba Inu saw an incredible rise of over 880,000, sparking a bull market that lasted until 2021. For instance, Donna, an expert well known for her accurate Dogecoin forecasts, predicts that the price of Shiba Inu won't rise past 3 ZO as this bull season. It's odd that the explanation for this isn't what you may assume it is. In fact, it's a fairly interesting one that people tend to ignore but ought to give more thought to. If you're trying to lose weight, you could think that the primary cause of your inability to lose weight is your lack of activity, but if you take a closer look, you might discover that there are other factors at play as well. Beyond just not exercising, there are a lot of elements affecting your achievement, such as food, stress levels, and sleep quality, similar to Shiba Inu, whose enormous supply is a clear benefit. Since the real story involves a more complex interaction, how does it come to be at this pricing point? Shiba Inu faces a big challenge. A final sell wall is around double the current price, or 406. There are around 30 trillion Shiba amongst 92,000 addresses. A sell wall in the context of cryptocurrencies is essentially a sizable wall of sell orders at a particular price that prevents the price from rising over that point. It is anticipated that there will be strong selling pressure if the price of Inu tokens rises to this level, since some holders would choose to sell their holdings in order to break even. Even while many analysts still believe the Shiba Inu will reach the 3Z level during the current bull run, it is uncertain how the Inu will get there. Walls might be difficult for Bitcoin investors who wish to. It would need strong buyer support to break through this barrier, which might force the stock into a price discovery phase. Massive inflows into Bitcoin and the larger cryptocurrency market were the outcome of the fervor created by the stories surrounding the Bitcoin ETF. You can only imagine how important it is. As a result, Shiba Inu's price managed to triple in a matter of days. However, the cryptocurrency market appears to be somewhat boring this month in contrast to the excitement we witnessed in February or March. Given that the market has been stagnant or dropping for over a month, a lot of investors are starting to wonder if the bull market is finished. This is due in part to the lack of a significant force driving up costs. There hasn't been any more significant news to stir things up, and the excitement around Bitcoin ETFs has diminished. Prices often become stagnant or even decrease in the absence of new money. A market slowdown may also result from investors being hesitant to take profits following the market's earlier, extremely quick ascent. But this is when the intriguing part begins: high daily volumes. In Bitcoin, ETFs are currently recorded at around $6 billion, which is a return to levels not seen since late March. Given that the price of the cryptocurrency hits new highs for May, this suggests that the frenzy surrounding Bitcoin is returning. During the time of Bitcoin's peak of approximately $773,000 Bitcoin, ETFs have shown little performance. According to Sandymint, this week's volume of over $5 billion was managed by the 7 largest U.S. spot ETFs. This is the greatest volume since March 24th. Additionally, Sandymint noted that trading volume was increasing significantly, suggesting that the era of big investors amassing assets on-chain appeared to be coming to an end. Thomas Clow, manager of a hedge fund, responded by expressing optimism about the rise in. This is the point at which things really spiral out of control, and trading activity is a very bullish indicator for the market. Data from sources like the UK Investing Business Ferride indicates that even the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which was associated with large withdrawals in the past, is now seeing a small amount of interest. When you consider it, this year has seen numerous market crashes as a result of Grayscale's daily outflows. Suddenly, many are opting to purchase Bitcoin in its instead, and for 3 days straight instead of just one. This is really quite unbelievable. Inflows into Grayscale on May 16th and May 17th were 27 million and 4.6 million respectively. This news is quite astounding. It seems like a friend of yours who was never willing to test new eateries is the one recommending that you check out the newest spot in town. It comes as a surprise. However, it indicates a renewed optimism that can significantly influence people's emotions and choices, suggesting that the bull market is returning. The sudden change in Grayscale's behavior from outflows to inflows indicates a profound change in public opinion of Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency sector as a whole. Furthermore, Lucy, a member of the Shiba Inu development team, recently made an interesting Twitter statement in response to Wall Street Bets, a user, D, who stated that we are about to start a parabolic cycle. Lucy said, "Amen. What does this really mean, though?" In essence, Lucy is endorsing the notion that there will be such a significant upswing in the Bitcoin industry. It's a subdued method of admitting the possibility of big returns in the near future. This is where it seems like everything fits together. After discussing the expected increase in Shiba Inu prices, analysts present the return. An asset's price increasing quickly and exponentially is referred to as a parabolic cycle. It resembles the moment a roller coaster abruptly launches itself skyward. We might be about to witness another big price increase, according to analysts projecting a bullish trajectory, institutional players like Grayscale displaying renewed interest, and even little affirmations from the Shiba Inu team. What is coming up for the Shiba Inu community? They should get ready for the unexpected surge of interest in the Bitcoin ETF, which will be followed by Grayscale's sudden turnabout from selling Bitcoin to actively purchasing it. Finally, we even have confirmation from a Shiba Inu development team member. Shiba Inu owners are in for an exciting moment, but as always, it's crucial to be knowledgeable and cautious given the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Keep in mind that this isn't financial guidance. What are your thoughts on the prospect that a spike in the price of Shiba Inus could lead to a possible parabolic cycle? Post a comment below. This completes the film's story. Please click on one of the videos you see on the screen if you would like to watch more. I would be interested in hearing your opinions. If you enjoy the video, please like it, and don't forget to leave a comment so that I can get support from the YouTube algorithm by telling as many people as you can about this tale. You can also contribute to its dissemination.